Today we are starting our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, atomic structure. What topics we will do today? We will do today some of the definitions, important definitions from the chapter, and related to these definitions we will learn calculation of number of electrons, protons and neutrons, and applications of isotopes, electronic configuration of first 20 elements. Okay, so let's start. Definitions. The first definition is of atom, and you already know what is atom. We have discussed in chapter number 1 also. Can you define atom? What is atom? Atom is the smallest unit of an element that consists of subatomic particles named proton, neutron and electron. Can you tell me where are proton and neutrons are found? They are found in the nucleus of an atom, and electrons revolve around the nucleus in shells, like planets revolve around the sun. The name atom comes from the word atomos, which means not cuttable, indivisible. Indivisible, the atom cannot be divided into different parts. It has some atomic particles, but it cannot be divided. The name atomos was given by Greek philosopher Democritus. He defined all matter consists of very small indivisible particles named atomos. The same examples I have given you in first chapter. So I think this time you will learn how oxygen atoms makes. It has a nucleus that contains 8 protons and 8 neutrons. Then there is a shell. In red color you can see 2 electrons. Then remaining 6 electrons are in other shells. Why? Because in first shell only maximum 2 electrons can revolve. Carbon atom. It has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in the nucleus. Then in first shell 2 electrons. The remaining 4 electrons in another shell. So these are the atoms. Okay, so this definition should be clear to you. Next is radioactivity. Do you remember in which branch of chemistry we have studied radioactivity? In first chapter we have done branches of chemistry. It is related to the nucleus, nuclear chemistry. The spontaneous disintegration of nucleus of an atom in which invisible radiations are emitted from the nucleus of atom is called radioactivity. I have told you there are some of the elements that emit invisible radiations. We cannot see that radiations, and due to this disintegration, the atom comes into the decay. It changes, the nucleus becomes changed. Now look this picture. This is nucleus of the atom, contains protons and neutrons. Okay, when its decay occurs, radioactivity occurs. So alpha radiation, 3 types of radiations: alpha radiation, beta radiation and gamma radiation. So in alpha radiation there are protons and neutrons. Beta radiations are actually high energy electrons, and some of the electromagnetic photons that are called gamma radiations. So this is the process of radioactivity. Okay, note down this definition and learn it. Next, what is atomic number? You already know. I told you the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is called its atomic number. There is a symbol written Z. It means atomic number is denoted by Z. When we see a neutral atom means the atom which does not have any charge, positive or negative charge. Okay, so there will be equal number of protons and equal number of neutrons. The number of protons will be equal to neutrons. That's why it is called a neutral atom. So atomic number also indicates number of electrons in a neutral atom. Six carbon. This 6 which is written here, it is the atomic number. It means carbon has 6 electrons and 6 protons. 7